Hey Charles, how you doing, man? Leo here again. Thanks for taking my call earlier and sharing your email address so I can send this customized video out to you. What I do is help local roofing companies in Kentucky increase their ranking in Google to help them increase their online presence. You're all back on the third page, right at the fourth page. And that's not a lot of traffic comes back there. 69% of searchers don't even go to the second page, and 75% usually choose out of the top three of the map pack. So that's why I'm reaching out to you. I like helping out the underdog or the guys on the back page make more of an online presence and help them get to the front page. I know you're probably wondering what's in it for me, and that's it, man. I just want to help local roofing companies out, give you a little bit of information. I know when it comes to hiring digital marketers, you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So that's why I like shooting customized videos, just to get my name out there. So one of two things: you can apply these tips and tricks to your website yourself, and I promise you it'll start gaining rank. But I know a lot of times I found with local roofing companies, the business owners are so busy tending to the employees and the customers, they either don't have time to do it or they're not for sure on how to do it. And if that's your case, Charles, that's what I'm here for. But if not, like I said, I hope you take these tips and tricks and apply them yourself. So I'm going to go over a couple things today that I need you to work on with this website if you can. I like how you got your call to action right up here, your free estimate. So sometimes there's people with roof leaks or damage to their roof, and they're just trying to get in here and get someone on the phone quickly, and you got your call to action right up top, and I love it. I like the website, man. I mean, it's just plain simple, straight to the point. All the clients I work with, whenever I end up building a website, they're simple and to the point. I don't like it to be a bunch of clutter, fancy text or anything like that. So you're on the right path with that. And again, I like his website. It's not bad at all. But what I will say is this first page, this is your home page. Okay, this should have 1,500 to 2,000 words on it of command content with buyer intent keywords, and that's something I'll go over with you in just a moment. So if you look through here, there's not a lot of content on here, and that's fine. Like I said, this is just a starting point. You can get on here and add content, and then after that, what you need to do is have you some more pages, so you have about 5 pages total, and B, if you have more services besides Louisville, then you need to add those services on here as well. And what that'll do is it'll be like homepage, about us, services, contact, things like that, locations. So you want to have about 5 total pages. And out of those pages, there'll be drop down for your services, drop down for your locations if you have more places, things like that. So that will help you increase your online presence. And the reason for the so much command content is because what Google does is they send out little bots to crawl your site and to ping buyer intent keywords, because the bots scroll the site looking for buyer intent keywords that people search. So whenever people are searching roofers, Louisville, Kentucky roofing, Louisville, Kentucky roof repair, all those are buyer intent keywords. So those are words that you want to have inside your content. So when those bots crawl your site, they see those keywords and they ping your website up higher. The more content you have, the more the bots crawl. The more they crawl, the more pings you get. And then at the end of the day, you're moving up the ranks, getting closer to that first page. Let me see what you got this image saved as right here. I didn't check that earlier. I wasn't actually planning on showing this, but I seen this image and it made me think about it. Okay, Charles, do you see how this is saved? When Google sees this, they see 25C41918F29C. That is not what Google wants to see. Right here, all you got to do is simply take this image, geotag it to Louisville, Kentucky roofing, roofers, Louisville, Kentucky, something like that, a buyer intent keyword. That way, when those bots crawl this site, they don't see a beautiful roofed house. They see all those numbers and letters. So change it to roofer, Louisville, Kentucky, roofing, Louisville, Kentucky, something like that, okay? That'll help you out even more. Now, I want to take you over here and show you your number one competitor site. This is their homepage, and their site is not secured. Yours is secured. So anybody putting in information or anything on this page, I would not put my information on this page. It's not a secured site, and it's just to me, that's not good. You have a secured site, and that is awesome. So they don't have a really bad page here, but they're lacking content as well. And here's these extra pages I was telling you about with the drop downs. So they've got residential, commercial, gutters, windows. These are all their services. This could be one drop down with all these services going down here. Let's see what their content looks like. 500 to 750 words? Absolutely not. Okay. So like I said, homepage needs 1,500 to 2,000 command content words on that. And the back pages back here, they need to have about 500 to 750. Okay. I'm going to show you one of these tools I have here, Charles. This is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, and it's just a web crawler tool. You can actually get a free version of this, but I have to have the paid version because it breaks down a lot of details. And this goes hand in hand because Ahrefs tells me everything that I need to know to help rank higher on Google. So I've got your competitors page in here too. So we'll go over a couple of things. Click over here to your page and then your competitors page. Now your competitor has 523 backlinks. If you're unfamiliar with backlinks is just their website is somewhere else embedded in someone else's content that links back to their home page. So with your backlink, if you've got your content, KentuckianaRoofers.com, and say you got a buddy that's got a roofing blog and he can put this web address in there for you, that's going to count as a backlink. Okay. Not all backlinks are created equal. You can leave this website URL in a Pizza Hut review and it will count as a backlink, but it won't have any power. So it's the quality of the backlink, not the quantity. Now, the cool thing about this Ahrefs tool is if you're looking to dominate the number one competitors, what I could do is get in here and look and see where all their backlinks come from. It tells websites. So what you can do, or me and my team, we can get in here, go to these sites where they have their backlinks and get backlinks for your site. That way you have just as much power as they do, and then plus added backlinks that I have as well. Another thing is citations. Now citations is Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, things like that. Just simply put, they are directories. Anywhere you can put your NAP. Now, Charles, NAP is name, address, phone number. So anywhere you can put your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, that will count as a citation. That citation will also give you strength and trust to your site. These is out of 100. And again, this is the strength of your site. This is the trust. So this number is reflected by your backlinks, telling me that if your number is a little higher, then I know that your backlinks are from a trusted source that has strength to it. If your backlinks numbers strength and trust is lower, then that means your backlinks aren't as trusted. So you want good trusted backlinks. So they're 8 out of 12, and again, this is out of 100. So they're not the sites that they're getting their stuff from is not very trusted. Okay, so we went over the content, we went over the backlinks, went over the citations, and this is one more thing that I just wanted to show you because I told you about the picture with the command content and the geotags and the pictures. Louisville Roofing. I would put Kentucky in there with it. I would put like this, siding, Louisville, Kentucky. That is a buyer intent keyword. When someone types that in, they are looking for services. Siding companies, Louisville, Kentucky. Roofing companies, Louisville, Kentucky. Roofing in Louisville, Kentucky. Roof repairs, Louisville, Kentucky. Here's a good one, okay? That's 200 people a month searching for that word. And the keyword difficulty is 21. The lower this number, the better. So what you're essentially doing is trying to find buyer intent keywords. These two right here brings 1,100 extra sets of eyes to your site each month. Now, let me show you what that organic traffic does. It generates a little extra cash for you, depending on your closing rate and the percentage of jobs that you have in close. This is bringing in almost 300 extra people a month and generating close to 7,000 extra a month just off their website. This is just from their website with content, backlinks, and citations. And as you see, all these things right here, Charles, I mean, I honestly feel like you could outrank them. So you need to apply more content to this page, build you more pages out, change the geo tags on these photos, and go to set you up an account at Yelp. It takes a couple minutes. You can put your business name, address, phone number, set your account up at White Pages, Yellow Pages, Yext. All those are going to bring power into your site. And what it'll do is bust you up on that third page, second page, and then you'll get to the first page. Now, it's not a sprint. It is a marathon. So each day or randomly, Google sends the bots out to scroll these sites and to check out everything. And the more pings you get, the higher up you're going to go. Just for a reference, as I was on here yesterday, the number one person has already dropped down to number 7. So there's a new number 1 spot. And I'm sure it's because they don't have SEO there on their website. So it got ranked and now it's starting to fall back down. So the ones that keep up this content every month will continue to be in those spots. Charles, again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Hope you enjoyed this customized video I sent to you. I hope you apply these changes to your website. I'll come back and check on you if I don't hear from you, just to see how your website's doing. I won't call and bother you anything, but just out of curiosity. So like I said, I hope you apply these changes. You got to get you some more pages on here, get you some more content, get you some more images, add more services, and you'll be well on your way because you're actually doing pretty decent. Being back on the 4th page. This is what I was wanting to see right here. Google reviews. And also your customers, you need to try to see if you can get them to come here on Google, and just like these guys here, and leave you more business because that's going to help you rank as well. This is your GMB. This is your Google My Business. I'm sure you know that because it's set up. But that goes hand in hand with your website. So I hope to hear from you, Charles. At the bare minimum, I'd love to have a little feedback or constructive criticism on this video. I know it's a hot, busy day. Hopefully you sit down, cool off watching this when you can at the end of the day. Have a good day, Charles. Thanks for your time.